Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to join Teams meeting with Lync, making it super easy for you to connect with your colleagues or friends. Stick around as we walk you through each simple step. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device. You can find it either on your desktop, your Start menu, or even access it through your web browser if you don't have the app installed. Next, click on the Meet button. This is usually located on the left-hand side or at the top of your Teams window, and it's where all your meeting options are managed. After that, click on Join and carefully check every setting. This includes your camera, microphone, and speaker settings to make sure everything is working properly before entering the meeting. Finally, click on Join Now to officially enter the meeting. Once you do this, you will be connected instantly and ready to participate. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.